Welcome to the Craft Desk, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY, we're going to make these Valentine toile hearts. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. So for this project, I'm taking a foam board from the Dollar Tree, along with a cookie cutter. I think I got this one at Michael's. You could pretty much find them anywhere online. And I'm going to trace the heart shape onto the foam board. I'm going to make several of them because I want to make a couple of these hearts. So let's continue with tracing the hearts out onto the foam board. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm taking my hot knife and I'm going to cut out the hearts using the hot knife. This hot knife I purchased on Amazon, or you can find it at any craft store. It makes it so much easier than cutting it with an X-Acto knife. It gives me a clean cut. So once we cut all of the heart shapes out, we'll be ready for the next step. So let's continue with this part. So I found this toile print image online. You can do a search for toile print or toile wallpaper or toile backgrounds and print it out on your computer. I printed it out on regular paper. And now what I'm doing is I'm tracing the heart shapes onto the toile paper itself, and we're going to cut those out. So let's continue with this. So now that I cut out all of my pieces, I'm using Podge to decoupage the printer paper of the toile images onto the foam board itself. Now I'm going to use a couple of layers of Mod Podge, pretty thin layers. This way it will keep the image from wrinkling up, and I'm going to let this dry. So let's continue finishing the rest of the pieces. So now that the Mod Podge has cured, I'm going to take these beads in both pink and a cream color, and I'm going to hot glue them to the edges of the heart. This way it will add a little pop to the heart, and we can hide the cut edges of the heart itself. So let's continue with this. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take some pink satin ribbon and I'm going to create a little hanging piece. These can be ornaments or you can put them in bowls, but the little satin ribbon gives them a little something extra. So I'm going to cut some pieces and attach them with hot glue. And I'm also going to add a little pink satin bow. Let's finish this. The final step is adding the little pink satin bows. I've had these for quite some time. I think I bought them on some crafting website, but if you search for embellishments, I'm sure you can find some. And I'm going to attach these with hot glue on the top of the heart in order to give it its finishing touch. Once I'm done with this, these pieces will be ready to display. So now this project is done and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It is pretty simple to do and you don't need that many supplies. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.